Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? MSGM. Now, a lot of you may not have had shorts. I did notice that Interactive Brokers, though, there were at least 10,000 at one point. So it's hard to know. This is one of those crazy low float situations. But MSGM, why I'm bringing it to your attention is that 2 days ago, the AI also, this is an AI alert, to short at 1682. It's at 1510 right now. And also, 2 days ago, the alert was at 1720 and they exited at 1333. Okay, so that also worked on the short 2 days ago, and the AI decided, you know what, why don't we do it again? So 1682, 1514, and it looks like it's going to continue down. Well, could continue down, especially if it takes out 15. So that's what made the trade great. A couple of days ago, a short and another one today. All right, everybody, want to get back into the trading room, so have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow at 8 o'clock.